Welcome to day 54 at Project Chief. Today what you're going to be seeing us do is that right behind us, our recessed LED light in our drywall. So please go ahead and subscribe to our channel and then leave a comment down below with any questions you have about this LED strip channeling we're installing. Like the video, I think it's also good. Oh, ring the bell for notifications. And you son of a...
It's day 64, not 54. That's what that was for.
Thank you for watching. Word of advice, pick your friends wisely.
That's true. And also pick your wife wisely.
And if you don't believe in the inherent evilness of human beings, look what just happened from my friends. Have a good one.